Miss Gray Educates, brought to you by Gray Education.
Hello, I'm Miss Gray and thank you for joining me for another story. Today we're reading There's a Monster in My Fridge by Hart and Deborah Allwright. What's that hiding behind the door? Its feet have squelched across the floor. Take care, don't look, it's vile and smelly. A monster eating raspberry jelly. What's that hiding behind the screen with a pointy hat and skin so green? I'm much too scared to look. Are you? A witch is using glitter glue. Below our stairs it's dark and cold. It's full of spiders, dust and mould. Shine a torch in if you dare. A vampire in his underwear. What's that splashing in our bath? It has a hollow, rattly laugh. Take a peek. Go on, be brave. Twin skeletons making a tidal wave. Tucked in bed, there's something scary. Its fangs are sharp, its back is hairy. Lift the sheet, what will you find? A werewolf scratching his behind. But look, what's this? A secret door, a staircase to another floor. Quiet as mice, don't dare to squeak. Slowly lift the trapdoor. Creak. Tiptoe carefully as can be. Who's that hiding? Boo! It's me! Thank you for watching another story with Miss Gray. Please like the video if you enjoyed it.
Miss Gray Educates, brought to you by Gray Education.